I was gifted this product for a review. The stable magnetic phone mount designed specifically for Dodge Ram models 2013 to 2018 and the 2019 Plus 1500 Classic. This phone mount features a durable metal construction that complements the interior of your Dodge Ram. Its sleek design ensures it blends seamlessly with the dashboard, adding a touch of elegance to your truck. Installing the mount is a breeze. The package includes all necessary components and it utilizes the factory screw holes, and within minutes you'll have a secure and stable phone mount ready to use. The mount is designed to fit perfectly on the dashboard, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view or access to controls. The magnetic feature is the highlight of this phone mount. It provides a strong and secure hold for your phone, even on bumpy or rough roads. Whether you're using your phone for navigation, music, or hands-free calling, you can trust that it'll stay in place. This mount keeps your phone at an ideal angle, making it easy to glance at maps or notifications without taking your eyes off the road for too long. This enhances safety and convenience while driving. Recapping some of the pros, it's easy installation, there's a strong magnet that holds the phone securely, it's a durable metal construction, keeps things strong, sturdy, and not breaking. Keeps the phone at an ideal angle for navigation and calls and notifications so you don't remove your eyes from the road for too long.